Discovery education, how we can use discovery education in the classroom, transforming teaching and learning.
You can use this strategy, Silence is Golden. Select a video segment from Discovery Education that contains great imagery and will help convey important concepts in your lesson. Play the video clip without the audio. Have students describe what they are seeing. This can serve as a formative assessment for teachers to get an idea of what students understand, need to master, and want to know more about.
You can use discovery education to introduce, reinforce, and enhance learning of your students. In this example, students will watch a video and they will determine the old game, 3 truths and a lie. So we will be able to determine the student's comprehension based on them being able to distinguish between the truths and the lie.
A great activating strategy is half the story. In half the story, a teacher pulls a picture from Discovery Education and only shows a small portion of it. Students brainstorm ideas about what the picture is about and how that relates to their learning. Next, the teacher zooms out and shows the whole picture, and students discuss the differences between their original conceptions and now that they've seen the whole picture.
Scrambled, please. To help students learn the important skill of sequencing, provide a passage with the last paragraph whited out. Scramble the last paragraph and allow students to unscramble and identify their topic sentence. Voila, you have omelets.
The PMI strategy can be used while watching a video to note the plus, the minus, and the interesting things found in the video. The plus, they write something that they found interesting or liked. With the minus, they can write something they did not like or disagreed with. And interesting, they can write that aha moment, something they found interesting.
Discovery education is not just videos. It's also a great source of images to use as provocations, learning stems, and summaries to lessons. Using an image connected to a unit of study can be used to ask questions and to pose wonderings. Using the image, write for 60 seconds to record observations. Using an image, you can record observations and wonderings on a T-chart. You can also use the image to write a headline as a summary.
The strategy 214 can be used to engage students in introducing new topics. Instead of telling students what they are going to learn, have them figure it out for themselves using 2 facts, 1 clue, and 4 pictures from Discovery Ed about the topic. What are we going to learn today?
You can use Connect the Dots. Find a video on Discovery Education, 5 minutes or less, that explains your topic. Have students take out a piece of paper and draw a dot in the middle and the name of the topic above the dot. While students watch the video, they must create a series of dots to connect what they are learning to why it will be memorable to them.
Reading between the lines is a way to establish the important concepts and vocabulary contained in a text before ever even reading the text. Take a full or partial section of a text and copy it into Wordle.net. The software will identify frequently used words and display them in larger font depending on their use. After discussing the Wordle with the students, have them highlight the largest words in the text itself. This provides the students with anchors of understanding while reading an entire complex text.
Thank you from Marietta City Schools.